WellNest Housing Support Program, building a community where all neighbors feel at home.
Our organizational goals are first to support community members transitioning into housing and up to 1 year after they have been housed. Second, to train healthcare workers to understand the intimate connection between housing and health. And third, to fill a gap in the housing continuum in the community so that organizations can have more resources for those who have yet to be housed.
Our community partners include the Original Mattress Factory and the Fresh Produce Program of Root Causes. Community members are referred to WellNest through Project Access of Durham County and the Community Empowerment Fund. Most of the furniture we provide is donated to us from community members and marketplaces around Durham. We rely on a robust volunteer base, including Duke University undergraduate, graduate, and professional students. On Saturdays, we rent a moving truck. A group of volunteers collect furniture from around the community. Then, we deliver furniture to newly housed community members. We also help community members move their own belongings. To help make their new space feel like a home, we provide a welcome home kit with essential household items, like light bulbs, batteries, and cleaning products. We also offer enrollment in our longitudinal tenancy support program, through which we can continue to check in with community members for at least 1 year and can help provide additional support. Highlights from this year include conducting 29 move-ins, enrolling 11 community members in our longitudinal tenancy support program, building a team of 16 executive board members and over 70 volunteers, and collecting over 100 pieces of unique furniture from the community as a team.